Abby, I found the problem with the system. It was in the frequency for the tax setup. I had changed this back in 2011 to 84 days when it should have been 91 days. And that's why your rotation was messed up. Needless to say, if this is on your system now, this is on the main machine. I set up here under frequency setup. This was set to 84, and that was causing the problem because it's supposed to be 13 weeks, not 12 weeks for the quarterly. So now it's set correctly to 91 days, so you're good there. Then I also added these additional columns on the screen on the main menu so you can check quickly to see if the accounts are set up with the right next service date. So in this example, like you said, the Conley accounts are supposed to be January, April, July. Like this one's supposed to be, the third Tuesday or the second Tuesday and so on, and they're not. So to fix them, this is what you do. So you can select multiple accounts, then go to calendar, delete out the appointments that are there now, because it already has the correct starting date. So I'm just going to put 11 and 22 here just to get rid of those dates. Then all I have to do is hit update calendar schedule. And if I hit this calc button, it'll refresh the calculation. Notice how it's changed. So now it's C, which is correct, and it's June, second Tuesday. And again, this one is C, June, third Monday. And this one is A, July. That one is causing a problem. Let me say why. So this guy is the third Monday. So his label says third Tuesday. So I don't know whether that's a mistake or not, but it's correctly generating it. As you can see, it's the third Monday when it's generated. So you may want to check that, but the other ones check out. So 10/16 is the third Monday of the month. So I don't know whether that label needs to be changed or what, but you see how to change it. So you can just delete it, regenerate it, and now that it has the correct rotation, you'll get that. And these columns can move. So if you need to move them closer to the menu name, or if you want to even put it on the other side of the menu name, so it's easier for you to go down and highlight the ones that are wrong. And just so you're clear, you can use the filter here to work through your list. Like if you wanted second Friday and look at all these people here and see if they're, you can start to glance down to see if the second Friday is there. You can glance down to see that the A's match C, B's, and so on. And again, this is a pretty fast way, and of course you can do it in batch. You could just highlight people and then just do delete appointments and then update calendar schedule and then hit this calc button to refresh these columns here. And that should do it. You also could, if you wanted to, but it's not really necessary, you can update their starting dates in mass as well. I hit update standard charge updates. I could pick people. I could select them, fill it with code 7. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to save it. I could fill it with code 7. I could fill it with a frequency of quarterly. Where's quarterly? Quarterly. Fill the frequency and fill a start date. And then that start date will, and when you hit save, it'll update the standard charge settings so you can do it all in mass. So again, you shouldn't have to do that because you're able to delete it and just regenerate it, and now you could cross-check it very quickly to make sure that it's generating the correct starting date for you. And I've also displayed the next service date just to be sure so you can see the date that it's generating. Okay.